Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Ansys students version free in the laptop. So now we are going to Google browser and type Ansys student version, and you have to click Ansys Workbench first link and then scroll down. Before installation, let's check out installation steps. First, extract the zip file and then right click the setup file to install, and these are the step-by-step process. Also, coming to system and browser requirements, it is required Windows 10, and then minimum 4 GB RAM is required, and also 15 GB hard disk space also required in the C drive. Also there is a minor graphics requirements also there. You can check out in the website, and it is limited to problem size. Like for a structural problem, the problem size is limited to 128K nodes or elements, and fluid problems it contains its own, and the license is renewable for every 12 months. You can check it out in the browser. And also these are the Ansys programs offered in the Ansys Workbench. So now we will download the Ansys student version. Since I have already downloaded it, I just cancel and open the downloaded file. I already extracted the file, and now you have to right click the setup file and run as administrator. It will take some time. Yeah, now it is opened. Make selection that I agree all the terms and agreements, and click next. So the installation directory should be in C drive. Oh, I just click on this. Will take I think so much of time to complete 100%. It may take up to 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, after so much time, think now it is completed. Yeah, now it is completed. Once it is completed, I'll try to open Ansys Workbench. I'll try to open Ansys Workbench. Yeah, yeah. The Workbench is like a library workbench which consists of multiple domains, uh, which has a bold file view all the options. And these analysis systems consist multiple domains. We can drag and place what kind of problem we need to perform. Like now I am pasting the static structural problem, so the subdomains will be there in the static structural problem. We can access all this data. So that's all in today video. Thanks for watching.